how to set a gallery story export options to portrait or landscape on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up Gallery. Next, at the bottom, tap on the Stories tab. And then open up your story. Next, tap on the More button at the top. In here, tap on Export Options. And then you can choose between Portrait or Landscape. And down here, you can change the video resolution size. And then tap on Done. And that's it. Now when you export your video as video, it will use the export options that you have set. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.